today I'm gonna make a review of a Landland 3x3. So please watch this until the end because I am really gonna, maybe you know that this is a derpy cube, but still I'm telling you that there is some good use to this cube. So let's open it up, and this is my first Landland cube actually. So the turning is okay with this cube, but the corner cutting is not that great. It's just about that, not more. I mean, it's okay. I guess it's okay. Here's a T-perm. It locks up a little bit, but still, this is great for the beginners. It is just great. If you're just a beginner, I recommend this over the Rubik's Cube, because Rubik's Cube is twice as expensive as this one, and second, the stickers on the Rubik's Cube are awful, and here the quality is not that great, but the shades I really like. I think this is the first cube I've ever had that from the bag it has a good sticker set. Maybe except for my Shengshao Pyraminx, that also had a good sticker set. So this is the only cube, specifically a cube, which has nice stickers, at least the shades. So yeah, I recommend this over the Rubik's Cube for the beginners, and also not only for the beginners. So if you look at the pieces, they're exactly as it's just a Rubik's knockoff. It's exactly like the Rubik's Cube. Here it is. Yeah, it's just the same. I don't have an intact Rubik's Cube on me because the one I had I've modded, and I'm gonna make a video on that mod. It's a barrel mod, octagon barrel. So yeah, here are the pieces. They're the same. So the good use for it is that if you are a puzzle builder like I am, I'm just a beginner at modding puzzles, but still I know something about that, and I know that the simpler the cube is, the better it is for modding, and especially that is with a 3x3, because if you like take, I don't know, a good cube, like I have a Mayu Weilong here, how are you gonna mod something like that? It is gonna be very uncomfortable to mod something like that. And also, when you make the mod, how do you want to really speed cube with it and sacrifice a good cube for that? I don't think so. So you better buy something like this QJ 3x3, and it is perfect for modding. So yeah, this is good for modding, as I said. And next, I don't know what else to say. I think that is pretty much it. So this is it has nice stickers. This is perfect for beginners because it has normal speed. It's okay, but it's a little bit locky. But for the beginners, it won't be locky at all. And the turning quality is quite nice. It's not very hard to turn. And if you tension it, it will be much better. I'm sure about that. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching my today's video. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And that's it. Goodbye. Goodbye.